In 2011, the 5 Caspian littoral states took a major step to protect the sea from oil pollution, introducing the ACTA protocol. The protocol stands on 3 main pillars. Regional cooperation means Caspian countries coordinate their responses to oil spills and requests for assistance are facilitated. National preparedness requires each country to have emergency response plans in place, ensuring an effective and organized response. With information sharing, a reporting procedure is put in place to update parties on threats and response measures. Overall, the protocol unites Caspian states to prevent, respond to, and mitigate the effects of oil spills, helping to safeguard the Caspian Sea for future generations. In 2012, the 5 Caspian littoral states came together to tackle pollution from land-based sources and activities in the Caspian Sea by signing the Moscow Protocol. 3 main pillars drive the protocol. The first pillar, pollution prevention, encourages environmental impact assessments for projects and activities that could harm the marine environment. The second pillar, pollution reduction, is achieved through regional and national action plans focused on controlling pollution at the source. Caspian states must adopt shared guidelines and standards, including setting emission limits for certain substances. To safeguard water quality, specific emissions will be subject to strict authorizations and regulations. The final pillar, pollution control, focuses on regional cooperation to share critical data and monitor pollution levels. In 2014, Caspian littoral states signed the Ashgabat Protocol. The aim is to protect, preserve, and restore biological diversity in the Caspian Sea. The protocol is built on 3 main pillars. The first pillar focuses on the protection and conservation of species. Under this pillar, states must grant protected status to threatened species, regulate activities that could harm them, and develop action plans for their conservation and recovery. Under the second pillar, states must designate protected areas in the marine environment and coastal lands, and develop management plans. The third pillar promotes scientific and technological cooperation. It encourages joint research programs and information exchange among Caspian states, fostering a collaborative approach to biodiversity conservation. In 2018, the 5 Caspian littoral states adopted the Protocol on Environmental Impact Assessment in a transboundary context to minimize the potential environmental impacts of activities affecting the Caspian Sea. The protocol is built on 3 main pillars. Under the first pillar, Caspian states are required to notify one another about planned activities that may have significant cross-border environmental impacts. Additionally, public participation is encouraged, ensuring transparency. Under the second pillar, the activity must undergo a strict environmental impact assessment, including a detailed documentation of possible effects on the environment and proposed mitigation strategies to minimize harm. The final pillar encourages interstate consultation and cooperation to agree on measures to reduce adverse effects on the environment.